Guy Philippe appealed to Kenyans not to interfere with Haiti, nothing that its brothers sold them out centuries ago, and that this interference will be viewed in like manner.
People of Kenya, borders. Since 1503, we Haitian were paying a big price. You know everything. Some people, some of our borders, too greedy to resist imperialism temptation, sold us out. We yet want to come here and live in America. We are African and we want to live in Africa. That's what we want. But they sold us. They sold our borders, our sisters. And me, now talking to you, I'm the fruit of one of those people that were forced to leave their country, to leave their loved one to come here in America. Because some of our borders sold us to imperialism. Today, imperialism again is trying to use Africans, to stop our movement to free our country. Our movement so our people can live like human beings with dignity. It saddens us to see that an African nation is helping imperialism to do that. We have a government here in Haiti that has no legitimacy. No one loves them. This government, everyone knows, is helping gangs, killing innocent people, kidnapping, and serving imperialism interests. Today, I'm asking you, people of Kenya, African like us, to help us. Don't let your government do this thing. If your people, your policemen or your military come here in Haiti, they won't be welcome. We don't want them here. We know their borders. We want to see them like brothers, not like oppressors. If they come now to support a government that has no legitimacy, if they come here now to help imperialism, to keep us in the situation we are now, then they will do the same thing our brothers did in the 16th century. Help us stop that. We don't want them. They're not coming here to help us. They're coming here to help the status quo. They're coming here to help imperialism. They're coming here because they don't want us to be a free nation. They're too afraid of what we did in 1804 when we told the world that black men can be what we are. We defeat Napoleon. We defeat everyone to tell them that slavery is against humanity. So now, please, people of Kenya, don't let your government, don't let your Congress do that. And you congressmen in Kenya, please, we don't want you to come here like that. We don't want to hate you. You are brothers. But if you come to help imperialism, so now we will consider you like enemies. Shame on you if you do that.
After that appeal on January 26, 2024, Kenya withdrew the deployment of police officers to Haiti. Haiti, known for many accomplishments, including its great prosperity centuries ago, being the wealthiest colony on earth. Its powerful leaders who strategically defeated Napoleon's army and other colonial invaders, becoming the first black republic, putting an end to French colonial rule. When the revolution in Haiti drove out the enslavers in the early 19th century, Haiti's beautiful landscape, culture, people, and unique language, which, unlike all other major tongues such as English, French, or Spanish, Haitian Creole, is unique to Haiti and so much more, those many to its borders and its people. Yet, the country has faced serious challenges for many years due to negligent leadership, natural disasters, unfair dealing on the global scene, and border-related strife. The country has suffered for years, and one leader, Jovenel Moïse, who took action in the interest of the Haitian people, was sadly assassinated in 2021. Following the assassination, an interim government and leadership head by Ariel Henry has its grip on the country. Most Haitians, however, are dissatisfied, do not choose, and want an end to the current leadership. Haiti needs a leader who thinks about the people first, a leader who is committed to job creation, development, law and order, progress, and fair and equitable access to basic amenities such as water, food, shelter, and justice. A government that is not blind to the needs and cries of its people. Leaders who see the damage to the landscape caused by the devastating 2010 earthquake and would take action to rebuild and repair the damage. To fill the gap and this lack in leadership, Guy Philippe, a former senator, former chief of police for the northern city of Cap-haitien, politician and trained military leader who, like Nelson Mandela, served prison time. He was instrumental in ousting Jean-Bertrand Aristide, former Haitian president, who led the country between 2001 and 2004, a coup d'etat in Haiti on February 29, 2004. Following several weeks of conflict, result in the removal of President Jean-Bertrand Aristide from office. Many Haitians, tired of their plague and the activities of gangs in the capital city of Port-au-Prince, are ready to be led by the charismatic leader, Guy Philippe.
The people that are in the streets in Cap-haitien, in Hench, in Gonaïve, in Port-au-Prince, in Maïsad, all over the country. I am the chief.
I'm sorry, say that again, please?
I am the chief.
Do you see yourself as the chief of the new Haitian?
No, the president should name it. But for now, until the president take the decision, we have the moral obligation to help people. L'armée d'Haïti, c'est constitutionnel dans ces comptes. Every time we have a good president, they kill it. They kill him. They want to take all the power here so they can keep on stealing the country's money. And they have some contact with the international community to come and give people that really want to help, to give us pressure. But this time we want to take this pressure. If they want to kill me, I'm ready. They can come and kill me. I'm ready to die for my country. That's what I'm going to do now. That's how I'm going to do today. And I will fight until death for my country and for my people. And we're ready to die. Thank you very much.
Nigeria, Algeria, Ivory Coast, Gabon, Gambia, Namibia, Senegal, Tunisia, Kenya, Jamaica, Trinidad, St. Lucia, Guyana, and other CARICOM countries. Peru, Ecuador, and Canada are among the countries known to be supportive of Haiti. Haiti asks for prayers, moral, and other support as the country fights to restore its former glory.
Guys, si c'est pour Haïti, moi prêt. Pour libérer Haïti, moi prêt.
I hope to see you guys in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Stay with us on EL7 TV, where every moment comes alive.